Hey guys, welcome back to the RC Guru YouTube channel. Today, we're starting a new build series. We get a brand new inbox from RC4WD RC4WD 1987 Xtracab Toyota. The whole body kit. The hard body complete set. So we're going to open this up right now on camera. I hope everybody's as jazzed as I am. Because I am. Where's the... There it is. The sticker. Everybody hear the sticker? That's a good slice. I like that. So when you buy a body from RC4WD, you get a box. Just like our last build, we did a K10. This time we're not today, but this time we're doing a Toyota. So this is a whole body kit for that Toyota. So right here, everything's packaged very well. So far, the part number for this, if anybody's wondering, is RC4WD part number ZB0216, and it's the 87 Toyota Xtracab. So what I'm opening up right now would be the windows. And look at that nice, they give you a huge bag. I'm telling you guys, keep these bags and stuff. If you're shipping or receiving or anything, keep this kind of stuff around. So we get a window set, look at that. So you get your front windshield, your side windows, and your back glass. And they're all curved up, ready for you to start your build. In here, another bag taped up. I appreciate that. That's awesome. Because if everything's not taped up and it's sealed around and it's moving, when things are moving, that's when windows get rub marks on them. And when they get rub marks, and you didn't put them on, that's not what you want. So there's the rear window for the cap. Does this come with a cap? Or maybe it's just the same as the 4Runner. I don't think this comes with a cap. Anyway, I got excited there for a second. There's our glass. So we'll set our glass aside. What's up next? We have a sticker pack. Instruction manual. I know that's upside down. So I'll open this bag up. And this is the full manual. As you can see, it's for the 87. This will tell you everything you need. This is the book. Anyway, nice little sticker sheet. I suggest putting them on the floor to get them nice and flat. I'll probably utilize a couple of these as they're like an older vintage style Toyota. You want to try and get them flat though. The sticker, the 22 RE's got a crease in it already. And the Toyota sticker as well. Yeah, so really nice sticker sheet. Get that somewhere flat so it can lay out. And then the rest of coup de grace on the bag here. For the first bag, you have metal Toyota emblems. An extra bushing, it looks like. And we have body mounts. There's mirrors in here. We're not going to open up the minis right now. It looks like, some brackets, probably door hinges, hood hinges, things like that. We'll keep that thrown in the bag. This will be our miscellaneous bag. And now that we have our paperwork, we can throw that to the side. So next, unmarked bag, loot bag. We'll open this up. It's getting thick. Lots of parts, which is great. So we're not going to open all these up. This is parts for the back seat. Nope. Is it the back seat? It must be universal with the 4Runner, because there's 2 front seats, and there's a thing for a radio. There's a couple. I don't even know what they are. Anyway, these are more accessory pieces. Oh, some more. Here's some more of the seats. There's some pedals. There's the hood prop. We got a couple chrome bits. There's something floating around. There's a loose bit. What's that? That's a pedal for the floor. Like that. Floating around loose. So, remember I said we had a loose bag? And throw that in the loose bag. And then we have some chrome parts, some chrome options inside of the lenses and whatnot. That's great. I'm going to throw that in the parts bag. Don't want to get scratched up. There's a nice dash. We do some nice work on the dash. Nice paint work will do. And there's some steering wheels. There's wipers, gear shifts. And then we have the next bag. The next goodie bag. None of these are marked or labeled, by the way. So, first thing that comes out is more lenses. This is for the back of the cab, and something else that I'm not sure of right now. There's a nice grille, and the lower fascia, and the bumper. I guess it would be grille, bumper, bumperette. It looks like you have one side with option with turn signals, and then a chrome option. Oh, that would be your rear bumper. So you have a lower valance, bumper, and a grille. And then you got your door set. Your door set has black inner door cards. So the doors open up and close on this model, particular model. The hood is wrapped quite extensively, but we have a hood for the 87. We don't need to open it up. You know what a hood looks like. In the next bag, more parts of the cab assembly and a tailgate. There's back cab slivers, and there is our actual truck. I heard a lot of people were getting crooked hoods, so we'll have to look into that. There's the body. They're saying the bodies were crooked too, and I'm setting them on the table. That one looks pretty good. It's a little bit warped, but when the weight gets to it, it straightens up, which isn't too bad because this is a complex body. So as you can see from sitting, this side is coming in more than that side, and it kind of has like a smush and a twist, which is fine. It needs one of these. You know what I mean? So it just needs to be out and open and breathe, and leave these braces in for a little bit until it relaxes. It gets up to your house's temperature and whatnot. This just came from shipping, so let this warm up. And if you're looking at it, you're like, oh, it's ruined. It's caved in on this side and not on this. It's not assembled. It's not done. This is a kit. You have to build this kit. And that part square, it would be up to you to make that square, etc., etc. So the interior, don't let me forget about checking the hood though. Some people had to talk to RC4WD Drive because their hood was that bad. Next bag in the Xtracab kit, body kit, is the front seats. So that's a whole front seat there and some form of kick, and the bottom of the interior. So your footwells, and then that little spare pedal that I found would probably go in here, and you'd have a footrest. And there's a couple cup holders. That's pretty cool. What else is in the bag? Or the box? What else is in the box? Well, truck's got to have a box. There's a box in the box. So these just naturally put together, and you can see that this side fits kind of okay, but then you'll notice right away the defect down there. See how it's not straight, but it's held together with a screw and glue, and it's not assembled yet. So it's all part of the process. You got to get it nice and straight yourself. But this is episode 1 of the Xtracab build. This was an unboxing. There, can you see the Xtracab? Yeah. So this is what the Xtracab looks like. This is what we got so far. We got our cab, and we got our box. And of course everything else, all the cooler mount, everything else comes with it. That body is pretty wonky doodle. Let's check that hood out right now while we're on camera for the initial unboxing. Okay, so initial inspection. There's nothing. Yeah, let's open it up there. Okay, the little sprayers are there. Hood doesn't look warped in any way. Grab our cab. So, look at the roof line. Can you see that? It's like coming down on this side. Maybe it's just me. The hood fits up okay. Alright guys, like and subscribe. I'm going to pick and poke at this and hum and haw. You know how I do. You can see it's a gray ABS. It's not like their normal stuff. It's kind of this seems a little bit more flexible. Anyway, thanks for watching. And you know, there's tons of stuff to do here. We got to go through all this, and we got to paint it. We got to do everything. And we're all going to do it together. So, like and subscribe so you get notified. And we're going to do this 87 cab build together. Thank you guys. And check us out on the next one.